India and the world. In the earlier part, we have seen the India size and location. Now we'll see from the ancient time to the modern time how the contacts are India are here. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. If you look toward this map, you will get idea how the India can be contact with the East and West Asia. India is the southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean route, which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries East Asia, provide a strategic central location to the India. Due to its location, it is very essential. It became the essential part of the trade route. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean. You are looking in the map, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other countries has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean. As India has and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justify the naming of the India of an ocean after it. It is the only one country which is having long coastline in the Indian Ocean, and this is the only one ocean in the world which is named with a country. India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than the marine contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passage to the ancient travelers, while the ocean restricted such interaction for a long time. The India's contact with the other countries is more with the land route than the maritime contacts because the Indian Ocean restricted many travelers, traders to come in the country. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas. These routes are not only used for the trade, they were caused to exchange the ideas and commodities since ancient time. Due to trade, many changes took place. That's our idea also changed, commodity also changed, which commodity produced in other countries that started to produce in India, which was producing only in the India, that also started to produce in other countries. So in this way the ideas changed. The ideas of the Upanishad and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system, thus could reach many parts of the world. Indian literature, Indian mathematics reached in the world because of the trade. This thing you have studied in the class 8. The spices, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural style of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in the different parts of our country. The influence of architecture also we are seeing in our country's buildings. Due to this trade only this is took place, this is happened. India's neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. The number of states and union territories changed last year. Till last year 29 states were there, but last year the changing in the Jammu Kashmir changed the numbers of the states and union territories. India shares its land boundaries with the Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest, then China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Observe this map, so you will get idea how from north west to northeast our neighbors are here, and then moving toward the east south. So our all neighbors you will understand, starting with the Pakistan whenever you will study, then Afghanistan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bhutan remain. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait. The strait which is separating India and Sri Lanka is called Palk and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India has had strong geographical and historical links with, with her neighbors. Already I have said you take the help of atlas. Here again you have to take the help of the atlas and look the physical map of Asia in your atlas and note how India stands apart from the rest of Asia. Along with this study, don't forget my students, what are activities are given in the textbook, like find out, do you know, these things you have to study because it helps you to gain the knowledge about the particular content. So don't skip these activities, whichever given the information in the all boxes, that all you have to study.